So let us start the session. Today we are going to start case study based questions from chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So let us start with the first question. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. See the figure. A gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. A small pond is also constructed along with road for driving cycle. His son is enjoying cycling every day in the park. Now, based on this figure, we have few questions. So let us start the question. What is the perimeter of the park? So perimeter of the park is 50 plus 80 plus 120. Right? So if you add, you will get 250 meters. So which is the correct option?
B
Option B. Right. So now next question. Calculate the semi-perimeter of the triangular park in which planting is needed. So perimeter we have 250. So semi-perimeter कितना हो जाएगा? 250 by 2. So the final answer is 125.
120.
And the correct option is option C. Right. So now we are moving to a third question. Calculate the area in which planting is needed. So we know that the Heron's formula, the area of triangle is given by root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we will substitute all the values of a, b, c and s. A 50, b हम लोग 80 ले लेते हैं और c 120 और s we have already calculated 125. Right. So this will be 75, this will be 45 and this will be 5. 125 को हम लोग 25 into 5 लिखेंगे और 75 we will write 25 into 3. 45 we will write 5 into 3. Now see 25 is in pair, 3 is also in pair and 5 is also in pair. What is left? 15. Right. So 25 into 5 into 3 into root 15. So 25 into 5 into 3 होता है 375. So 375 root 15 meter square. And the correct option is
C
option C. Right. Now we are moving toward fourth question. Find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate. See here. 3 मीटर छोड़ के बाकी पूरा बार्ब्ड वायर का हम लोग को टोटल कॉस्ट निकालना है. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ पार्क वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड, इट इज 250. नाउ द लेंथ ऑफ वायर नीडेड इज 250 माइनस 3 क्योंकि 3 मीटर छोड़ रहे हैं हम लोग. सो विल गेट 247. नाउ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर इज गिवन रुपीज 20. So total cost will be equals to 247 into 20. That is 4,940. And the correct option is
B
option B. Right. Now we are moving toward the last question. Name the formula which is used for getting the area of triangle when sides are known. All three sides. Heron's formula.
Heron's.
Right. If it is not right triangle. Okay. Now next case study question. In my colony, a park is situated in front of my house. This park has built-in shape of triangle ABC with the following sides 150 meter, 100 meter and 60 meter. Nowadays, some animals entered park and destroy and eat plants. So our ward member of area has decided to put railing around the park for protecting plants and grass. Ward member ordered to a gardener to place a railing all around this park and maintain grass inside the park. He also sanctioned an amount to improve park in a proper way for public of that colony. Costing is decided rupees 10 per meter for railing around the park. Now based on these facts, a few questions are there. 60, 150, 100. Okay. So what is the perimeter of the park? 60 plus 150 plus 100. कितना आ रहा है? 310. Right. And the correct option is option C. Calculate the semi-perimeter of triangle park in which planting is needed. So semi-perimeter, perimeter we already got 310. So 310 divided by 2. It is 155. And the correct option is Option D. Now we are moving toward the next question. Calculate the area in which planting is needed. So we have to find the area of whole triangle. So we'll use Heron's formula, root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we'll substitute the value of S, A, B, C. 60, 150 and 100. Right. So 155 into ये हो जाएगा 95 and this will be 5 and this will be 55. Now if we multiply all these four numbers, we are getting 40 lakhs 49,375. फिर इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे डिवीजन मेथड से. If you take a square root, you will get 2012.3 meters square. And the correct option is option D. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Find the cost of railing with hurtful iron wires at the rate of rupees 10 per meter, leaving a space 2 meter wide for a gate on one side of the triangle park. So total length of the wire required is perimeter minus this 2 meter. Okay, that is 310 minus 2. So 308 meter. And the cost of 1 meter is given rupees 10. So 308 meter का हो जाएगा 10 into 308. That is 3080. And the correct option is option B. Next question. Name the formula which is used for getting the area of triangle when sides are known. And if it is area of triangle when sides are known and when it is not a right triangle. Okay. So the correct answer is Heron's formula. राइट ट्राइंगल होगा तो हम लोग हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट यूज कर सकते हैं. फाइन. एनी हाउ यहाँ पे वो फॉर्मूला मेंशन नहीं है तो हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला ही रहेगा. सो वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन. अंडर स्वच्छ भारत मिशन a school management suggested teachers as well as students to organize marathon running on 2nd October in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Both teachers and students of school dramatically made a gathering for spotlessness drive. They walked throughout the following paths in two groups. One group walked through the path PQ, QR and RP, whereas the other through PR, RT and TP as shown in this figure. Then they ran over the area enclosed within their path. If PQ is equals to 7 meter, QR is equals to 30 meter, RT is equals to 10 meter, TP is equals to 25 meter and Q is equals to 90 degree, then answer the following question which is in the next page. First question. What is the value of longest path which is covered by marathon participants? So longest जो path है वो ये वाला होगा PR. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
हम लोग
sir.
को PR निकालना. How will you find the PR?
Pythagoras.
Very good. By Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR. So we'll get PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. That is 7 square plus 30 square. 49 plus 900. 949. So 949 का approximate value होता है 30.80 meter. And the correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Find the value of area of triangle PQR in which first group is running marathon. For that we can use half into base into height क्योंकि ये right triangle है. So half into 30 into 7. So 32 से cancel होगा. So 15 into 7 is 105. Right? 105 meters square. And the correct option is option B. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Find the value of semi-perimeter of triangle PRT. Semi-perimeter. तो इसका हम लोग को वैल्यू मिला है 30.8. राइट. तो तीनों साइड ऐड करेंगे तो पेरीमीटर मिलेगा. ओके. तीनों को ऐड करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है. तो 25 प्लस 10 35. 35 plus 30.8 it is 65.8 by 2. राइट. 65.8 by 2. तो ये मिलेगा हम लोग को 32.9 मीटर. And the correct option is option B. Right. Now next, how much area is covered by group 2 of triangles PRT? तो PRT के लिए हम लोग को फिर Heron's formula यूज करना पड़ेगा. That is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Right. यहाँ पे हम लोग P Q R से मैं डिनोट किया हूँ, राइट? ये वाला P है, ये वाला 10 is Q and 30.8 is R. Now substitute all the values. 32.9 minus 25 होगा 7.9. This is 22.9 and this is 2.1, right? Now if we multiply all these numbers, we'll get 12,499.07 meters square. And if you take square root by using division method, we'll get 111.8 meters square. And the correct option is option A, right? Now we are moving toward question number 5th. What is the total area of covered in marathon by all the teachers and student? तो दोनों ट्रायंगल को ऐड करना है, एक में 105 आया था और दूसरे में 111.8 आया था. If we add, we'll get 216.8 meters square. And the correct option is option C. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
एग्जाम में इतने डेसिमल्स वाले क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे, ये बस एग्जाम्पल है, right? So now we are moving toward next case study question number 4. There is a road running across the city which is also a connecting road between two towns. Due to this busy road, a lot of traffic generally occurs on this road. To get rid of it, a flyover was made on it. The triangular side walls of a flyover has been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Right, now based on this, a few questions are there. So let us start with the first question. Answer the following questions. What type of triangle is side wall of the flyover? So दिखने में तो right triangle दिख रहा है, लेकिन एक बार चेक कर लेना है. 122 whole square होता है 14,884 and 22 square is 484 and 120 square is 14400, मतलब 14,400. So if we add these two, अगर ये दोनों ऐड कर रहे हैं तो ये मिल रहा है, देखो ध्यान से. So that means 122 square is equals to 22 square plus 120 square. So by Pythagoras theorem, the triangle is right angled triangle. And the correct option is option B. This is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now the next question. What is the Heron's formula for calculating the area of a triangle? Correct formula. कौन सा बताओ जल्दी?
Option C.
Option C.
Option C.
Very good. यहाँ पे प्लस दिख रहा है, देखो तो ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है और ये भी नहीं है. Okay. So the correct option is C. Third question. If there are two walls for the advertisement, what is the total area of two walls? So क्योंकि ये right triangle है, इसलिए हम लोग हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट लेंगे और दो वॉल्स है तो इसलिए 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ये समझ में आ गया? 2 क्यों मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट एक साइड का है, एक वॉल का है, दो वॉल्स है इसलिए मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 किए. तो यहीं पे कैंसिल कर दो इसको 2. सो ये हो गया 120 इंटू 22. सो वी विल गेट 2640 मीटर स्क्वायर. So the correct option is option A. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 4. If the advertisement yields an earning of rupees 6,000 per meter square, okay, ये थोड़ा रिवर्स उल्टा हो गया, per meter square, okay, a meter square per year, per meter square per year. What is the monthly rent for two walls? So yearly rent हो गया 6,000 per meter square. And monthly rent हो जाएगा divide by 12. If you divide it by 12, you will get 500. ठीक है, 12 into 560 होता है. 500 per meter square. This is the monthly rent for two walls. Now next, if a company hires these two walls for 4 months, how much rent they need to pay? So monthly rent for two walls is 500 into total area. Total area आया था 2640 meters square. So if you multiply, you will get 13 lakhs 20,000. This is monthly rent for two walls. And 4 months के लिए फिर we have to multiply it with 4. If you multiply it with 4, you will get यहाँ पे 80,000 आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे 52. Right. So 52 lakhs 80,000. And the correct option is option D. Right. So now we are moving toward the next case study question. In class 9th, Ramesh has a query regarding plot, that how plot is measured, manufactured and built. Then the teacher explained him about its by giving an example of unique builder group, Jaipur. He said that this group launched a scheme of triangular shaped plots in Jaisinghpura near Ajmer. Jaipur 6-lane highway, its shape is triangle. This land is approved by Jaipur Development Authority. It means this land is loanable because each person does not have sufficient amount to pay. Sides of these triangular plots are in the ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 144 meter. Abhi first question. Give the sides of triangular plot in meters as per given parameter. 3:4:5. या तो हम लोग पूरे में x लेंगे या पूरे में y लेंगे या तो पूरे में z लेंगे. तो कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है इसमें?
A.
Yes, very good. Option A, that is 3x, 4x, 5x. Next, write the equation of the perimeter of triangular plot as given as per given parameter. So we already got 3x plus 4, 3x, 4x, 5x as the sides. So the sum of three sides is the perimeter. That is 3x plus 4y plus 5, 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equals to perimeter, that is 144. And the correct option is option C. Right. What is the semi-perimeter? Perimeter is 144. So semi-perimeter will be 144 divided by 2. That is 72 meter. And the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Find the value of all sides of the triangle. Right. तो हमारे पास है 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equals to 144. So if the sum of this is 12x, so 12x is equals to 144. So what is the value of x? 12, right? तो अब sides हम लोग निकालते हैं. A is equals to 3 into 12, that is 36 centimeter, meter, sorry, everything is meter. And 4x, that is 4 into 12, 48 meter. And last is 5x. 5 into x, 5 into 12 is 60 meter. So 36, 48, 60. Which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Yes, option C. Very good. Now we are moving toward the last question. Determine the area of triangular plot using using all parameters. Okay, using parameter. So we will use Heron's formula, and we know that Heron's formula is given by the formula root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we'll substitute all the values. 72 into 72 minus 36, 72 minus 48, 72 minus 60 का whole root. So 72 into 36 हो जाएगा, ये 24 और ये 12, right? अब हम लोग 72 को मैं लिखूंगा 36 into 2, 36 को ऐसे ही रखेंगे, ये इसको रखेंगे 2 into 12. See, सभी दो बार है, 36 2 times, 2 also 2 times, 12 also 2 times. So we'll get 36 into 2 into 12, right? 2 into 12, ये 2 है. So that is 72 into 12. 72 into 12 या 36 into 24, you will get 864 meters square. And the correct option is option A. Right. So now we are moving toward case study question number 6. World Environment Day is observed on June 5 every year. The purpose of World Environment Day is to spread awareness about the threat to the environment due to rising pollution levels and climate change. On this day, school management suggested teachers as well as students to do some activities for the celebration of World Environment Day. There is a slide in a school park. One of its side walls is in the form of triangle. It has been painted in green color with a message, keep the park green and clean. See the below figure. The sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. Right. Now based on this, we have few questions. 11, 6, 15. Yaad rakhna. What is the perimeter of the park? So 11 plus 6 plus 15. 32, right? 32 meter. And the correct option is option A. Now calculate the semi perimeter of triangular park in which painting is needed. Not planting, painting. Right. So perimeter we already got 32. So 32 divided by 2. So we are getting 16 meters. So what is the correct option?
Option D.
None of
Option
them.
D. Right. None of this. Now we are moving toward the third question. Calculate the area in which painting is needed. So we'll use Heron's formula, that is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We'll substitute all the values. So 16 into 16 minus 11, ये 5 हो जाएगा, ये 10 हो जाएगा और ये 1. राइट 16 को हम लोग 4 इंटू 4 लिख सकते हैं, 5 को ऐसे ही रखेंगे और इसको 5 इंटू 2. सी सब दो दो में आ गया एक्सेप्ट 2. सो 4 इंटू 5 इंटू रूट 2, that is 20 root 2, and the correct option is
B.
option B. Right. Now the next question, find the cost of 3 rounds of green ribbon to decorate in the border of a triangular shape at the rate of rupees 5 per meter. क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? हम लोग को जहाँ पे मैसेज लिखे हैं वहाँ पे रिबन बॉर्डर लगाना, ग्रीन रिबन बॉर्डर लगाना है डेकोरेशन के लिए, वो भी 3 राउंड्स. सो एक राउंड कितना होगा? 1 पेरीमीटर, 3 rounds 3 perimeter, right? So total length of the ribbon required for decoration 3 times perimeter. So perimeter we already got 32, so 3 into 32, that is 96 meter, and the cost of 1 meter ribbon is given rupees 5. So total cost हो जाएगा 5 into 96, that is 480, and the correct option is
A.
option A. Right. Now we are moving toward the last question. This is the repeated one. Name the formula which is used for getting the area of triangle when sides are known. The correct answer is Heron's formula. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Case study question number 7. Kamla has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter, 360 meter. Right. Where she want to grow wheat. This part. Triangle ABC. In another triangular field with sides 240 meter, 320 meter, 400 meter adjacent to the previous field, she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. See the below figure. This one. She divided the field in 2 parts by joining the midpoint of longest side, that is AD ka midpoint. Okay. And to the opposite vertex, and grew potatoes in one part and onion in the other part. How much area has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions? एक मिनट, ये वाला हम लोग, हाँ, we have to, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे we have to calculate. Okay, we have to find, right? We have to find the area, right? We have to find SEM. So now we are moving toward the first question. What is the semi-perimeter of the triangular field where Kamla grew wheat? So wheat कहाँ पे हम लोग डाल रहे हैं? यहाँ पर ट्रायंगल ABC, और इसके साइड्स हैं 200, 240 और 360. तो ये दोनों का सम 600 हो रहा है प्लस 200, so the perimeter will be 800. So semi perimeter इसका half होगा, that is 800 by 2. So we are getting 400 meter, and the correct option is option D, क्योंकि यहाँ पर नहीं है. Right. Now calculate the area for growing wheat. तो triangle ABC का एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा. So we will use Heron's formula, that is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we'll substitute all the values. S यहाँ पे 400 है, और A 200, B 240 and C 360. Right. So 400 into 200, 160 and 40. So 400 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 100 into 4. We'll write 100 into 4, 100 into 2, and 4 into 4 into 10, and 10 into 2 into 2. अब यहाँ पे देखो 100 दो बार है, और 10 भी दो बार है, 2 भी दो बार है, और एक 4 भी दो बार है. इसका स्क्वायर रूट 2 होता है, तो सिर्फ बचेगा कौन सा? 2 बचेगा. 100 into 4 into 4 into 10 into root 2. So ये हो जाएगा 16,000 root 2 meter square, and the correct option is option B.
B option.
Right. Okay, so now we are moving toward third question. What is the semi-perimeter of the triangular field ACD? So 240 plus 320, 560 plus 400, 960 हो गया perimeter. So 960 divided by 2, it will be 480 meter. And the correct option is option B. So now we are moving toward question number 4. Calculate the area for growing potatoes and onions. So potatoes और onions का दोनों मिला के जो triangle है वो ACD है, and we will find the area of triangle ACD by using Heron's formula. And now we will substitute all the values. S 480 है, A 240, B 400 है और C 320. कैसे भी ले सकते हैं, B 320 लेके C 400 भी ले सकते हो, right? So 480 into 240 into 80 into 160. So right, now I'm going to split 480 by 240 into 2 क्योंकि 240 ऑलरेडी है, और 80 को ऐसे ही रखेंगे और 160 को 80 into 2. अब ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे जो पेयर में आ रहा है उसको मैं टिक कर रहा हूँ. 240, 80 और 2 सभी पेयर में आ गया. So we'll get 240 into 80 into 2. If you multiply, you will get 38,400 meters square. And the correct option is option C. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, fifth question. Given that the median divides triangle into two triangles of equal area. मतलब ये जो median है, midpoint है, मतलब ये median हो गया. Right? ये median जो है वो ये दोनों triangles को equal area में divide कर रहा है. So find the area for growing potatoes. So टोटल पोटैटोज और ओनियन का एरिया हम लोग के पास है 38,400 और मीडियन उसको इक्वली डिवाइड कर रहा है. सो पोटैटोज का जो एरिया जो हो जाएगा वो डिवाइड बाय 2 करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज क्लियर? 19200. So 19,200 meters square, and the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward the next case study, question number 8. A block in the shape of a regular hexagon is formed for block printing as complete angle at 0 is divided into 6 equal parts. Each triangle with a vertex, ये 0 नहीं है ना, O है ये. Each triangle with a vertex at O should be an equilateral triangle. See this figure, all are equilateral triangle. Okay, now based on this, a few questions are there. If the side of regular hexagon is 6 centimeter, मतलब ये भी 6 है, this is also 6 and this is also 6. So what is the area of the block? पूरे full block का हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक का एरिया निकालेंगे, एक इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल का, फिर उसको मल्टीप्लाई विथ 6 कर देंगे. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
area of one equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4 a square.
Very good. Root 3 by 4 side square. Side is 6. So 6 square हो जाएगा 36. 36 we can divide it by 4. So we'll get 9 root 3. This is the area of one equilateral triangle. So area of 6 triangles will be 9 root 3 into 6. So ये हो जाएगा 54 root 3 centimeter square. And the correct option is option A. Right. Now we are moving toward the second question. The triangles inside the equilateral triangle are also equilateral and embossed. If side of each interior embossed equilateral triangle is 5 centimeter, the unembossed area is dash. तो थोड़ा यहाँ ध्यान से देखो, ये वाला 6 सेंटीमीटर का है. अगर हम लोग 5 सेंटीमीटर का एक और इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल अंदर बना रहे हैं, ठीक है, सो कितना एरिया छूट रहा है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड फॉर एवरी 6 इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
6 सेंटीमीटर
Yes,
के
sir.
इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल के अंदर में 5 सेंटीमीटर का इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है, राइट? उसके बाद अंदर में कितना एरिया बच रहा है, राइट? उसको एक निकाल के इंटू 6 करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एरिया ऑफ वन ट्रायंगल, ओके, जो अंदर में है, root 3 by 4 side square, side is 5, so 25 root 3 by 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Now हम लोग को क्या निकालना है, अनएम्बोस्ड एरिया ऑफ वन ट्राइंगल. तो क्या करेंगे, बाहर आउटर माइनस इनर करेंगे, दैट इज 36 रूट 3 by 4 जो पिछले बार आया था, माइनस 25 रूट 3 by 4. ये स्टेटमेंट क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now denominator is same, so 36 minus 25 करेंगे, so we'll get 11 root 3 by 4. तो ये आ गया एक ट्राइंगल में अनबोस्ड एरिया. सो इसको हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई विथ 6 करेंगे, ठीक है, तो ये 6 और 4 हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, 3 2. So final answer is 33 root 3 by 2 centimeter square, and the correct option is option D. Now next question, an isosceles right triangle has an area 18 centimeter square. The length of hypotenuse is dash. So given that the area of isosceles right triangle is 18 centimeter, so let the side is A. देखो ध्यान से, मैं यहाँ पे फिगर बना रहा हूँ, एक ऐसी रफ फिगर. Let the side is A. ये A है और ये A है, राइट? तो इसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, दैट इज हाफ इंटू A, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 18 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो 2 को यहाँ शिफ्ट करो, 18 इंटू 2 36 हो जाएगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू A स्क्वायर. सो विल गेट A इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. अभी हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या होगा देखो, A स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर का अंडर रूट, and this is 6 square plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 36 root 72. Root 72 is nothing but 6 root 2, and the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward the next question.
Option B.
The area of an isosceles triangle having base 2 centimeter and the length of one of equal sides 4 centimeter is dash. Base दिया हुआ है 2 centimeter और दो equal sides दिया हुआ है 4. राइट? क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? देखो
Yes.
ये 4 और ये 4 दिया हुआ है और बेस दिया हुआ है 2, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द सेमी पेरीमीटर. 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10 by 2, 5. राइट, सो हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला लिख लो. नाउ विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ SABC. नाउ 5 into 3 into 1 into 1. So सिर्फ 5 into 3 बच रहा, that is root 15. So the correct option is option A. Now the last question, the sides of a triangle are 35 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 61 centimeter respectively. The length of its longest altitude. So longest altitude जो रहेगा वो with respect to smallest base रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे smallest base है 35 centimeter. तो first हम लोग area निकालेंगे. सो सेमी पेरीमीटर देख लो पहले. 35 प्लस 54, 89 प्लस 61, 150. सो 150 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 75. नाउ हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला वी आर यूजिंग. 75 इंटू 75 माइनस 35, 75 माइनस 54 एंड 75 माइनस 61. ये 40 हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी 21 and this will be 14. Right. 75 we will write 5 into 5 into 3. 40 we will write 8 into 5 ना, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, and this is 7 into 3 and this is 7 into 2. अभी ध्यान से देखो, 5 दो के पेयर में है, 2 भी पेयर में आ गया और एक और 2 भी पेयर में है और एक 3 पेयर में है और एक 7 पेयर में है, बट 5 के लिए एक पेयर नहीं है यहाँ पर. सो 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 7 into root 5, right? So we'll get 15 into 4, 60 into 7, 420 root 5 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle, right? That is half into base into height. Base क्या ले रहे हैं हम लोग? 35 centimeter, क्योंकि longest altitude बोला है, right? So H will be equals to 420 into 2, right, divided by 35. 420 into 2 840 हो जाएगा. So 840 root 5 divided by 35. तो 840 को हम लोग 35 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. विल गेट 24. सो वी आर गेटिंग 24 root 5, and the correct option is option C. Right. So now we are moving toward the case study question number 9. Students of a school staged a rally for cleanliness campaign. They walked through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lanes AB, BC and CA, while the other through AC, CD and DA. Then they cleaned the area enclosed within their lane, and the lane measured AB is equals to 9 meter, BC is equals to 40 meter, CD is equals to 15 meter, DA is equals to 28 meter, with angle B is equals to 90 degree. Right? Similar question है, but the values different है. Now first question, find the length AC. So we will find AC by using Pythagoras theorem, right? सो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करेंगे तो AC स्क्वायर हो जाएगा √9 स्क्वायर प्लस 40 स्क्वायर, and this will be 81 plus 1600, and 1681 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 41 मीटर. So we got 41 meter. That is the correct option is option A. Next question, area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is half into base into height, right? Base यहाँ पे 40 है और height 9 है. So 42 से cancel हो रहा है. So we are getting 20 into 9, that is 180 meter square. And the correct option is option C. Next, semi perimeter of triangle ACD. तो ये तो हम लोग को ऑलरेडी मिल गया, ये वाला कितना मिला था 41. सो 41 प्लस 28 प्लस 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, राइट. तो अगर ये तीनों साइड्स ऐड कर रहे हैं 56 28, सो 84 आ रहा है. सो 84 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 42 मीटर, right? And the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 4, area of triangle ACD. So for area of triangle ACD, we will use Heron's formula. ठीक है, तो area of triangle ACD हो जाएगा √S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 42 था, 42 into 42 minus 41, 42 minus 15 and 42 minus 28. So 42 minus 42 into 1 into 27 into 14. So 42 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 6 into 3 into, एक मिनट फिर से मैं लिख रहा हूँ, 3 into 2 into 7, ओके. और 27 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 3 into 3 into 3, और 14 को हम लोग लिखेंगे 7 into 2, 7 into 2. देखो सभी पेयर्स में आ गया, 3 2 आ गया, सो 3 into 3 हो जाएगा. मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 3 into 3 और 2 और 7, 2 और 7, राइट. सो 21 into 6, 126 meter square. This is clear? Calculation is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward the last question. Total area cleaned by all the students is. तो दोनों का area add करना है. एक का 180 था और एक का 126. So 180 plus 126 is 306 meter square, and the correct option is option A. Right. So now we are moving toward the last case study question of today's session. Triangles are used in bridges because they evenly distribute weight without changing their proportion. When force is applied on a shape like rectangle, it would flatten out. Before triangles were used in bridges, they were weak and could not be very big. To solve that problem, engineers would put a post in the middle of a square and make it more sturdy. Isosceles triangles were used to construct a bridge in which the base unequal side of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeter, एक model है, and its perimeter is 20 centimeter, right? One model is prepared, that is a model, okay? So centimeter तो होता नहीं है, 4 meter हो सकता है, right? So based on this information, what is the length of equal sides? So base is given 4 centimeter, perimeter is 20 centimeter. So let the length of equal sides be x, right? So x plus 4 is equals to 20, and that is 2x is equals to 20 minus 4, 16. So x we are getting 8 centimeter, and the correct option is option C. Now the next question, what is the Heron's formula for calculating the area of triangle? Which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C, very good. Now we are moving toward question number 3. What is the semi-perimeter of the given isosceles triangle? So already perimeter is given 20. So 20 ka half? 10. Right. And the correct option is option C. What is the area of the given isosceles triangle? So semi-perimeter we got 10. And now we are using Heron's formula. That is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 10 into 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 4. So 10 into 2 into 2 into 6. So इसको हम लोग 2 into 5 लिख सकते हैं, right? 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 already है, और इंटू 2 इंटू 3. सो केवल और 5 और 3 के लिए पेयर नहीं है. So 2 into 2 into root 15, that is 4 root 15 centimeter square. And the correct option is option A. Now last question. In a triangle ABC, it is given that base is equals to 12 centimeter and height is equals to 5 centimeter. Base height दिया हुआ है. So which formula we will use?
Half into base into
Right,
height.
half into base into height. Right, very good. So half into 12 into 5. So 12 we can cancel by 2. So we are getting 6 into 5, that is 30 centimeters square. And the correct option is option B. Right. So this is the last question, and in the next session we will do statistics case study based questions. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.